guys, July 27, 2022. This one here I got a call for AC not working. I think he said it was icing up, so I told him to shut it off. And I'm going by there today. So it's probably a leaker. Probably a leaker, Mama. Oh, that's Molly. She's a leaker. Oh yeah, she's a leaker. He's got it off there. 22.
Yeah, watch your videos there.
Whoa, what the hell is that?
That's my fault.
Wire or something?
No, that's my fault because we popped this off and cleaned it.
What the hell's hitting?
Yeah, what is it?
Probably a fucking wire.
I hope not. I saw sparks over
Hang on a minute. I bet you.
Thought we put that together right.
Yeah, it's hitting the wires. Hang on a minute. Let me pull the wires a little bit, and then it'll be all right.
Yeah, sorry, sparks. Damn. Yeah, I wanted to wash it out and hopefully get it so you don't waste your time.
Yeah. Good thing we didn't leave it on, huh? What, are you retired?
Not really, but not residential, so I learned a lot from your stuff there.
Oh, so that's not the one we want. It's this one. It's this one. We'll see if they're better now. It's that black one that's hit.
Yeah.
There should be a fucking black one there.
There it is, you got it.
That's it now, yeah. All right, so we're good now. We should be good. Pass it all looks good.
That was not a good start.
All right, try it again. That's kind of weird. That disconnect shutting it off. I bet you it's dead. That disconnect switch. You turned it on and off. Then what happens is they die. That's a square D one. Let's see if we got power. Is it on?
Yep.
Typical.
Try it again. Recycle it.
Got no power now. Oh, we're gonna have to replace the switch.
Yep.
No, we got no power.
That's so funny.
Typical. Square D.
You just did that on a video I watched, swear to God.
Sure, yep. Alright, we'll get another one. I should have one in the truck, maybe. The switch, bang, boom, boom. Don't look bad. Don't look old, does it? It's not working. You shut it off downstairs?
Yeah.
These things are known for that. You shut them off and then they don't come on. I mean, it's just how it is. Typical.
Two of your videos in the last couple of days, and that was one of them.
Really?
Yeah. I never heard of that before.
Yeah, the typical. That's typical for these things. It's just how they are. Weird, but.
That's their job. You think they would want to do that, huh? That's all it's going to do.
Wire?
You did shut the breaker off downstairs?
Yep, both of them, yeah. Probably the other end. Well, I did see a spark. Maybe that.
Yeah, I would call the flipping. Them lines are awful low in the front of the house there. Have you ever?
Yeah,
I think he would have hit.
I would have ripped them lines down if I would have pulled it in. You saying you got the power off, huh? Yep. I better check it.
Yeah,
Just to be safe, you don't mind. Take your word for it.
The guy come to put the sidewalk in.
Yeah.
And the cement truck coming in. And the guy said, holy shit, I can't get under there. And that guy wheelbarrowed the cement.
Yeah, you don't want to.
I think it would have hit with that ladder on top of it.
You don't want to rip it. You don't want to rip it off, right?
Some other contractors come in and they went and they got a 20-foot board and they held the thing up and drove the truck in underneath the wires and let it go.
All right, go turn the power back on and we'll try it again. This guy's like a handyman special over here taking it apart before I even got here. Crazy. What's wrong with that, I guess? Fucking handyman special. I wonder where the screw is. Where's the screw that you took out of here? Oh, okay. I think it's gonna start now. I think so. Let's see.
Yep.
You're a 30? Way too low. That might come up a little bit, but 30 PSI is probably like 10 degrees or some crazy shit like that. So we're gonna have to add some. You're gonna have to add some. That's why it's icing. Huh? What is it? Yeah, 10 degrees. See? That's why it's icing. What kind of unit you got inside? Is it another Goodman? Let's give it some gas.
I checked for a filter and
There's no filter? You gotta change. Yeah. You gotta change the one in the hallway, right? Okay. There's that suction line coming back. See, it's at 83. The 82.9. Well, it might be a couple of year leak. Might be a couple of year leak. Alright, so we're at, see our superheat still drop, we'll make sure we're okay. But 20's fine, around 20 or so is fine with the superheat. Those square deep breakers, you shut them off 1 or 2 times and then they won't. That's it, they jump. Kinda odd. Kinda weird. Just every so that's the old one. That's the one I took out. Yeah, but I mean it wasn't working. Alright, so we're right at 19, 20, right around 20 we're good there. Subcool is a little high at 25. I mean, I can't do much about that. We're above 70 on the suctions, you know, 60, 65 or above. I mean,